Good morning all the student of class 3. Welcome to your math class student. So open your math book. Today we will do math magic, isn't it? So what the page number we have done last? We have done up to page number 123. We will start from the 123, isn't it? So page number 123, from this we will start. So look at here, that on the previous class we have done up to flower bed, isn't it? So today we will do from the bottle part. Okay, so in the same way, how many bottles are these? How many bottles are these? So you can see there are this is a rack of bottle keeping. So how the bottles are arranged? There are some dash times dash. So you can see that if you are thinking about as row, so bottles are like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the row wise. How many rows are there? 4 rows. And how many columns? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is as column wise, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. Okay. So see, 1, if you think those are the bottle. So according to row wise, how many? 4 row wise, and column wise 5, isn't it? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write down, it's a two-way. Okay, you can write down 4 times 5 equal to 20 BOTTLES bottles. You can write, or you can write if you think as a column wise. So 5 times 4, as we all know, it all makes the same answer, isn't it? So write down inside your book. Okay. In the same way, how many eggs? How many eggs? How many eggs? How many eggs? So dash times dash equal to dash eggs. So you can see on the tray of the eggs, how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you take as a column versus two way, you can write, isn't it? One is 5 times 6 equal to 30x, and also you can write, or 6 times 5 equal to 30x. Okay. This 2 you can write in the, this is a 2 option. Which one you want to write, you can write. Okay. Now come to the page number 124. Comes to the page number 124. Practice time. So as we already learned that in class 2 also, that we can write the multiplication form as a addition form also, that which is called repeated addition, isn't it? And also the repeated addition form, we can convert it to the multiplication form or multiplication fact. So the 2 ways they told you to practice. So the practice, PRACTICE, practice time. Number A. See the first one, 2 into 5. into 5 is. It is, what it mean? It means that 2 times. How many times? 2 times 5 comes. So we can write it also like this, that 5 plus 5, isn't it? How many 5s are there? 2 5s are there. So in this way, the next one, how it will be? 4 into 18. 4 into 18 means that 4 times 18. So how many 18 we will write? We will write 418, no? So 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. Okay? Now see the next one. 3 into 20. 3 into 20 is. So how many times? 3 times. 3 times what? 3 times 20. Or we will write down 20 as a repeated addition form. Okay? Now the last one you will do by yourself. Okay? Those are very easy. So do it fast. Now we will move for the multiplication fact. Okay? Means addition form they have given you. The repeated addition form they have provided us, and you have to be converted it as a multiplication fact. So you can see that they have provided the answer in a blue color box, isn't it? So first one I will explain you the answer. So how many 9s are there? There are 6 9. Can you count? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 times 9 comes. How many times? It's 6 times. So we will write down 6 into 9, which is equal to 54, which is written in your book, isn't it? Now look at the first practice math. 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many 8s are there? How many? 1 2 3. So you will write down 3 into 8, and 3 into 8 is 24. Okay? Then after that, see the next one. How many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 into 3. Okay? So it's become, listen, this one is not wrong. Okay? That 5 into 3. So as we write in a same pattern, so you can write it like that, 5 times 3. Okay? 15. Now in this way, I think those are the very easy, isn't it? So in this way, do the rest of all math, and then after that send me the photo of this page. Okay? I will check. So do it first. So up to this much today we will do. On the next class we will do the story math. So all of you will bring your math copy on that day. You will sit with your math copy. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you.